So we're gonna be on this. It's like a mist thingy, and like it's from Dusk in Sugarlands, and yeah, unboxing this.
อย่าแผลដាក់ចឹងធ្លាក់แล้วល្អល់ណាកូនចាំស្លេងយ៉ាធ្លាក់មិនគិតពី3ម៉ែកូនយកទៅទូរស័ព្ទមកមាន follower
It's fine. It's fine. It's stable. This is like a charging port or something.
Come on.
Three, two, one. Nothing there.
Oh.
This is like a huge giant egg, Zay. Zelena is on that. Nobody. Oh! Wait, I need to get a plate. I need to get a plate first to sit on mommy.
Get her the plate, may I come?
Where? Where's the plate?
Here.
Oh, that's the plate? Oh, wow, okay.
You got your plate, my man. Can I get plate?
Zelena, I'll call you back, okay? Okay.
Daddy, unboxing.
Where's the thing? Hey, where are you right now?
So my cousin's sleeping over. Why?
Oh, just asking.
Put the water first.
Oh, hi.
Put water first, Jasmine. Daddy.
We're doing like this candle thingy.
The unboxing.
We bought something from Dusk or something.
The unboxing.
Ah,
Put the water.
yeah, we'll take this thing off. What's it say? Filter that line. What it says there?
We need water.
There's the line there, though.
Put the water.
Do you want to play Bed Wars?
I can't right now. I'm unboxing this thingy.
Oh, you want me to
Lemongrass.
lemongrass first?
Lemongrass. What is this called again, Dad?
An infuser.
And this is an
Hang on,
infuser.
darling. Hey,
You got a infuser. You got an infuser from Dusk. You know those infusers? It's just like
Oh, just read it better on there.
Yes, you've got one
You
of
stay
those.
here. You
So the thing, flavors and stuff. This
Okay,
one
8
is
drops.
5 to 8. This is lemongrass. My dad is putting lemongrass in.
9,
Oh, yeah. That's nice.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6. Okay.
Oh, it looks so cool. And this is the next flavor. It's called corn.
Now you do one at a time.
I know.
Wait, can you play off
Where's the
of that?
power? Where's the
Jasmine,
Yeah?
Jasmine, can you play onto that?
Yeah.
plug it in before you put the top on?
Yeah.
Now do the
Put
vegetables.
this one first.
Yeah, that's what I said then.
Hey,
Okay.
hey, I'm done.
Jasmine,
Yeah?
can you hear the music?
Over there first.
Not that much.
Jasmine, F word.
What's that, brother? Okay, I know how to
Can
turn
you
it
hear?
on.
Can you hear it now?
Refresh.
Jasmine,
Yeah?
Refresh.
Darling.
can you hear it now?
There it is there. Look.
No, not that one. Here.
Jasmine,
Press on.
Yeah?
Hang on.
can you hear it now?
Wait, Chiquita.
It's working now.
It's working.
Smell.
Lemongrass.
Come here.
Need a bigger plate than that, darling. Big plate.
Oh, it smells good.
Like not flat like this.
Oh my gosh.
Glass.
Anything so,
Wait.
so it doesn't burn anything, darling.
I know, but I need the flat. Flat.
Yeah.
Look at it.
Yeah, one of those ones, yeah.
I see your dog.
That's what the girl said. I said, I've got plenty of crystal plates at home. She said, use one of them. Not that one, but certain everything. Yeah, that one, yeah. Oh, no. Very good.
Can you play now?
Sure. Let me just tell Samantha since I was playing with that. Wait.
Yeah.
I can't smell it that much.
I can over there.
Yeah, you smell.
Oh, now I can smell it.
Yeah.
Oh.
Now,
Oh, look alive.
yeah, I'm going to have one for the fridge to work, darling. There it is, there. I'll have to get along.
Far away. Okay, bye guys.